Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 13 best folding camping chairs that combine comfort, durability, and convenience for all your outdoor adventures. Whether you're heading to a campsite, beach, or backyard barbecue, having the right chair can make all the difference. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump right in and find your perfect chair.
Alpha Camp Camping Chair. The Alpha Camp Camping Chair is perfect for anyone looking for a blend of portability and sturdiness. I love how lightweight it is. It folds easily into a compact carry bag that fits in the trunk or even under a camping cot. Despite its light frame, it supports up to 300 pounds, making it sturdy enough for most adults. The breathable mesh back ensures you stay cool during hot days, and the padded seat adds comfort for hours of sitting. I especially appreciate the cup holder and side pocket, which keep drinks and essentials handy. Assembly is a breeze, no tools required. Whether it's a camping trip, fishing, or a picnic, this chair combines convenience, style, and durability flawlessly. Let's Camp Padded Folding Chair. The Let's Camp Padded Folding Chair is all about comfort and relaxation. Its thick padded seat and backrest provide excellent support, making it ideal for long hours outdoors. I love the durable steel frame. It feels solid and secure, while still being lightweight for easy transport. The chair folds up quickly, slipping neatly into its carry bag, so packing for camping trips is stress-free. One of my favorite features is the large side pocket, perfect for storing phones, snacks, or even a small book. It also comes with a cup holder to keep drinks within reach. Overall, this chair strikes the perfect balance between comfort, portability, and practicality for outdoor enthusiasts of all ages. Alpha Camp Folding Chairs. The Alpha Camp Folding Chair is a versatile option for camping, hiking, or even backyard gatherings. Its durable steel frame and double stitching fabric make it extremely sturdy and long-lasting. I find it surprisingly comfortable despite its lightweight design, and the mesh panels provide excellent airflow, preventing you from getting sweaty on warm days. Setting it up takes just seconds, and folding it back down is just as easy. The chair includes a convenient cup holder and side pocket for keeping small items like phones or keys handy. Whether you're at a music festival, fishing trip, or camping adventure, this chair delivers on both comfort and portability, making it a reliable choice for anyone who enjoys the outdoors. Youtanic Oversized Camping Chair. The Youtanic Oversized Camping Chair is designed for those who want maximum comfort. I instantly noticed its roomy seat and tall backrest. It feels like sitting in a mini throne outdoors. The thick padding supports long hours of relaxation, while the heavy-duty steel frame ensures durability for years to come. It folds up surprisingly compact for its size, and the carry bag makes transporting it a breeze. I also love the side pockets for storing snacks, phones, or other essentials. Whether you're camping, attending outdoor events, or just lounging in your backyard, this oversized chair provides comfort without sacrificing portability. If space and comfort are priorities, this chair is a game changer. Wildhiker Compact Camping Chair. The Wildhiker Compact Camping Chair is perfect for anyone who prioritizes lightweight portability. Weighing only a few pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry on hikes, camping trips, or beach days. Despite its compact size, it supports up to 250 pounds and feels surprisingly sturdy. I really appreciate the breathable mesh back, which keeps you cool in warm weather, and the padded seat adds just enough comfort for long sessions outdoors. Setting it up takes only a few seconds, and the included carry bag makes transport effortless. The chair also includes a side pocket for small essentials and a cup holder for drinks. It's an ideal choice for travelers and outdoor adventurers who need convenience without sacrificing durability. Ever Advanced Camping Chair. The Ever Advanced Camping Chair combines comfort, strength, and practicality. Its heavy-duty steel frame can hold up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for larger users. I love the plush padded seat and breathable mesh back, which provide comfort even during long outdoor activities. The chair folds easily into a compact carry bag, perfect for camping, hiking, or picnics. It also features a side pocket and a cup holder for keeping drinks, snacks, or small gadgets within reach. The setup is tool-free and takes less than a minute. Overall, this chair delivers on reliability, comfort, and portability, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to enjoy the outdoors without sacrificing convenience or support. The WEJOY Folding Beach Chair. The WEJOY Folding Beach Chair is perfect for sun, sand, and sea. I immediately loved its lightweight, portable design, which makes it easy to carry across beaches or parks. The chair features a breathable mesh back to keep you cool under the sun and a comfortable padded seat for extended relaxation. I also appreciate the built-in cup holder for your favorite drinks and the side pocket for essentials like sunscreen, sunglasses, or your phone. The frame is sturdy and durable despite its compact design, and it supports up to 300 pounds. Folding it back into the included carry bag is simple, making it ideal for anyone who wants a convenient, reliable, and comfortable chair for beach outings or casual outdoor use. Huskfirm Double Camping Chair. The Huskfirm Double Camping Chair is perfect for couples or friends who want to sit together comfortably outdoors. This chair features 2 spacious seats with padded cushions and a shared armrest with dual cup holders. I love its sturdy steel frame. It feels solid and secure, even on uneven terrain. Despite its size, it folds down compactly and fits into the provided carry bag, making transport surprisingly easy. The breathable fabric keeps you cool, and the durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Whether camping, attending sports events, or enjoying a backyard barbecue, this double chair allows 2 people to relax in comfort while keeping drinks and essentials within easy reach. It's a game changer for shared outdoor experiences. Folding Rocking Camping Chair. The folding rocking camping chair takes outdoor relaxation to a new level. Unlike regular chairs, it gently rocks back and forth, offering a soothing experience perfect for camping, fishing, or backyard lounging. I was impressed by its sturdy steel frame and durable fabric, which comfortably support up to 300 pounds. The chair folds flat for transport and fits neatly in the included carry bag, making it portable without sacrificing functionality. I also appreciate the built-in cup holder and side pocket for drinks, snacks, or essentials. If you're looking for a chair that adds a fun, relaxing twist to traditional camping seating, this rocking chair is a must-have addition to your outdoor gear. High Point Heavy Duty Chair. The High Point Heavy Duty Chair is built for strength and reliability. I immediately noticed its reinforced steel frame and durable fabric designed to support up to 350 pounds without any wobbling. The padded seat and backrest make long hours outdoors comfortable, while the breathable mesh panels prevent overheating. It folds compactly into its carry bag, making transport to campsites or events simple. I love the convenient cup holder and side storage pocket for drinks, phones, or other essentials. This chair is ideal for anyone who needs a rugged, reliable option that doesn't compromise comfort. Whether for camping, tailgating, or backyard BBQs, the High Point chair delivers durability, stability, and comfort in one package. Marchway Compact Camping Chair. The Marchway Compact Camping Chair is perfect for anyone who values portability and ease of use. Weighing only a few pounds, it's extremely easy to carry on hikes, camping trips, or even to outdoor concerts. Despite its small size, it supports up to 250 pounds and feels surprisingly sturdy. I love the breathable mesh back and padded seat, which provide comfort during long sessions outdoors. It folds quickly into a compact carry bag for effortless transport. The built-in cup holder and side pocket are perfect for drinks, snacks, or small essentials. Overall, this chair is a reliable, convenient, and comfortable option for anyone who wants a portable solution for outdoor seating. Camphor Padded Camping Chair. The Camphor Padded Camping Chair focuses on ultimate comfort without sacrificing portability. Its thick padded seat and backrest make sitting for long periods a joy, while the steel frame feels sturdy and reliable.
I love how it folds down quickly and fits neatly into its carry bag, perfect for camping, picnics, or sporting events. The chair features a side pocket for storing small items and a built-in cup holder for drinks. Setup is effortless, no tools required. The breathable fabric ensures you stay cool on warm days, making it suitable for all seasons. If comfort is your top priority for outdoor seating, the Camphor chair is an excellent choice that combines practicality, durability, and luxury.
LANMOUNTAIN Folding Camping Chair. The LANMOUNTAIN Folding Camping Chair is a versatile option for outdoor enthusiasts. It features a sturdy steel frame and durable fabric that supports up to 300 pounds. I love the padded seat and breathable mesh back, which provide comfort during long camping trips or backyard hangouts. Setup is quick and tool-free and folds neatly into the included carry bag for effortless transport. The chair also includes a cup holder and side pocket for drinks, snacks, or small essentials. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or relaxing around the campfire, this chair delivers convenience, durability, and comfort. Its compact design makes it a reliable, portable option for anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors. And that wraps up our review of the top 13 best folding camping chairs. From ultra-portable options to oversized comfort chairs, each one brings something unique to the table. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect chair for your next camping trip, picnic, or backyard adventure. Don't forget, you can check all the prices and links in the description below to grab your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Smart Gadget Reviews, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and outdoor gear recommendations.